quotient rule. Today we're going to talk about the quotient rule. The quotient rule is used to find the derivative of two functions that you're dividing. The technical rule for this is g of x times f prime of x minus f of x times g prime of x divided by g of x squared. A simpler way to think about this is ho-de-hi minus hi-de-ho over ho-ho. Ho stands for the bottom term, d stands for derivative, and hi stands for the top term. So you take the bottom term times the derivative of the high term minus the top term times the derivative of the bottom term divided by the bottom term multiplied by itself. The first example we're going to do is f of x equals x divided by x squared plus 1. To find the derivative of this, we recopy the bottom term, which is x squared plus 1, take the derivative of the top, which is 1, subtract the top term, and the derivative of the bottom term, which is 2x, which is a product rule. We put that all over x squared plus 1 squared. Leave it as this. You want it in the most simple form you can, so you leave it in this form. You then simplify the top. X squared minus 2x squared equals negative x squared plus 1. So we're going to write it as 1 minus x squared over x squared plus 1 squared. You can then simplify this even further. You can take it as 1 minus x, 1 plus x, all over x squared plus 1 squared. This is going to be your best final answer, and this is the answer of this. So this is the form of the tangent line of this. Our next example we're going to do is using trig functions. You still use the same ho-de-hi minus hi-de-ho over ho-ho to solve for this. Our example we're going to do is f of x equals sine x over x. Take the derivative, you do ho, which is x, derivative at the top, which is cosine x, minus sine x times 1 over x times x, which is x squared. This simplifies down to x cosine x minus sine x over x squared. This is the simplest we can have, so we're going to keep it in this form. So this is your best answer. The next one we're going to do is we're going to take the derivative and then find the slope and equation of the tangent line. The equation that we're going to have is f of x equals x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. To find the derivative of this, we again use ho-de-hi minus hi-de-ho over ho-ho. So ho, x plus 1, derivative of the top, which is 1, minus x minus 1 times 1 over x plus 1 squared. Don't forget the squared. It's easy to forget that and drop it off. So simplify the top of x plus 1 minus x, and then watch the subtraction of the negative sign. Make sure you turn that into a positive. So it's plus 1 over x plus 1 squared. The x's cancel out, and you're left with 2 over x plus 1 squared as your final derivative equation. To find the slope, you'll be given a point, and you plug the point into the equation that you got to find the slope of the line. So you'll have 2 over 2 plus 1 squared, which equals 2 over 3 squared. So your slope of the line that's tangent to this equation is 2/9. Now to find the equation of the line, you plug it into point-slope form, which is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So we do y minus 1/3 equals m times x minus x1. So you have x minus 1, or y minus 1/3 equals 2/9 x minus 4/9. Your final equation is y equals 2/9 x minus 1/9, which is your final answer. So remember, when using the quotient rule, you're dividing a function by another function and taking the derivative of that. The simple way to remember is ho-de-hi minus hi-de-ho over ho-ho. Thank you.